to also ensure that compliance is followed by most of these factories. And where we find that there's no compliance is not followed, then we have an issue. First of all, we put something in written to the employer, and also make sure that we summon them or we close them. We give you an example. We have been rotating and we have visited all the industries so far in the country. We have met with them as the minister personally, and we have also managed to make sure that we develop checklists together with them of what are those items that must be done and must be complied by each of the factory. Issues of safety, we know very well, some people don't care about just protective gears of their workers. People are very, very exposed. And when they have issues, they get diseases. I went to some factory and I realized even the masks the people are using are not good enough, because the smoke that is coming out of the industry is very hazardous, and we know it can cause more harm to the children as soon as possible. But we are doing our best as the ministry, and all reports come to us, and we encourage more workers who have issues at workplace to come to the ministry. Although we are working directly through our labor officers at the district level, but also we encourage most people to take their issues to the labor officers if they can be able to handle the dispute. But where it is more than them, the ministry always comes in and intervenes, especially where someone needs compensation or there is also loss of life. Here we come in. But those other issues between worker and human resource, pay-related issues, the HR can handle, and where it's beyond them, the Ministry of Gender comes in to handle the dispute between them. That all of us have to make sure that we are safe. The safety of and security of journalists, this issue has to be handled very carefully, and of course we are talking about security themselves to be able to protect you in terms of violence, because you meet and also face a lot of resistance in some places. But keep yourself safe in the first place. You have to keep yourself protected. Have an element. We can show you where to find elements and jackets where you can be able to wear, and also the boots for you, and you protect yourself. Because I've seen this in on TV in countries where there's war. There's risk of being a journalist, but also you have to make sure that you keep yourself safe. But for us as a ministry, you can come, or your leaders can come. We take you through maybe a few hours training on how to keep yourself safe in times of panic or when something is attacking you. And also, I've just been launching right now an app by Red Cross, and it is called Red Cross blending tool. You have it on your phone just in case of you need first aid the moment you get an injury. So I would also encourage you to popularize that app to your colleagues, just in case you get an injury, you get shocked, or you faint. You should be able to go to the app straight away and save a life before the ambulance comes in.